Besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We're totally opposites. Shannon's lucky bag was little. I went
extra large, but look it. Our boxes were bigger last year.
Yeah.
Over the extra large.
And I'm super confused that hers is the regular and mine is the extra large and they're the same.
Did I get lucky?
She's been getting lucky. All right, let's get in here and figure out what is going on in there or what's not going on in there.
Okay, so yours looks, oh, they're packed by the same person.
Marisol.
What are the odds of that?
Weird. That's never happened to us. Same paper situation.
Same little card.
It's got, no, mine doesn't, yours doesn't have lube. Oh, yes, it does.
Yeah, it's right there.
Yep. It's got butterflies and horseshoes and cards and coins.
Clovers and
super cute. Let me tell you what I want to see before I even look. I want to see a Danessa Myrick palette. And the reason I want to see that is because we've done this for the last 3-4 years and neither of us have ever gotten one. There's one that is a color story right up my alley and I want it so badly. It's the mauves and the pinks and the
surprise
taupes. Okay, give me something.
Give me something
Give
good.
me something good. Oh! Shannon got this brush. This is by...
Is it the same brush though? It's the same brand. Maria Catala.
No, this is an itty bitty.
This is the Aero Blender brush. So this is a shadow brush.
Yes, this is like a packer brush. These are real hairs, and I just have a weird...
You have a hard time using a real hair.
Yes, I am like, how do you ethically pick someone's hair out without being mean? Like,
you go to the salon and ask people to buy their hair.
Okay, so we're cutting hair and shaving hair.
I would say, yeah.
Do you think that this is like rat hair, or do you think this is like Denise hair?
It's vegan and cruelty free. That's all I know.
Okay, pretty brush. Beautiful brush. I'm just weird about the real hair thing.
Which you can look into it and figure out what kind of hair they use.
And how they get it.
How does it feel like?
It does, yeah.
This feels like rabbit or something.
If Thumper died for my brush, I'll never be able to...
It's cruelty free, so Thumper didn't die.
Okay.
Thumper may have just gotten a haircut.
Perfect. If you use real hair brushes, can you tell me what the benefits and what the difference is? I've never used real hair. I use synthetic everything. So tell me what you guys think of real hair brushes. What's with your face? Give me something. Oh, yay! Is this the same one you... Eyes?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the Good Molecule Energizing Eye Kit. It includes...
Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel and Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches.
Oh, yeah.
She's getting into that.
This is definitely... Oh, okay. So you get the serum and then probably the dry eye patches. I'm going to love this. I already know.
They're Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel patches, so they're not dry.
Oh, okay. So this is just
It's an eye... It's
an eye cream.
It's an eye gel. So it's a... Yes.
I'm super happy. Like, this made the box for me. Wow. Okay.
So, well,
I love
you've
it.
gotten 2 items.
Yes. I'm super happy, though.
You're right.
Yes. Okay. Jupiter Dry Scalp. Okay. Hair. Hydrating shampoo. Sulfate free, color safe, dermatological tested. So this is a shampoo.
So I got this brand of shampoo last year.
Okay.
I really liked it.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
So if I don't, you want it. That simple. I do have dry scalp. I do need a hair hydration. I'm not mad about it. I'm just leery about what it's going to do
Your
to my
hair
hair
type, yeah.
type. Because let me tell you, if you get shampoo in this stuff and you can't wash it out, it takes a while to brush through this.
It does not say anything about what hair type it's for. Just putting that out there. So you might want to look into it.
We'll do
you
some
use it.
looking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I like it.
Perfect. Yay! Okay, so Shannon got this in her little box.
You get the same colors.
I don't know. I hope so. I loved the color you got.
This is a
sorry.
Manasi 7 Beauty Evolution all over color creamy finish, and you got the color Manchetti. I got Etruscan, so you probably chose a deeper skin tone.
Oh, okay. So this is definitely going to be a balm. I can't put this on my face. Where hers would be a really pretty blush if you build it up.
Yeah.
This one is definitely a lip moment, which is fine because it felt really good.
Yeah.
Really hydrating. It's got a really pleasant, like vanilla, creamy smell. Okay, I'm going to like that. Okay, the one SPF 50 Invisible Sunscreen Gel. We are going on vacation. I've already got my sunscreen regimen prepared, but this will be fine. It's not a brand I'm familiar with.
Use daily the ultimate transparent water resistant sunscreen with broad spectrum SPF 50 UVA UVB protection that's supercharged with vitamin C, green tea, carrot seed, licorice root, 5 antioxidants, and skin conditioners.
So this might be nice for the face.
This is what that's meant for.
Okay.
So do you have face sunscreen already?
I do.
Okay.
I do. I might put this away. I'll see how long it's going to take to expire, and maybe we'll put it away for next summer.
August of 27.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Perfect. Oh, yay! I like this brand. So this is Hindash.
You got a lip last year from them.
Highlight. Gradient highlight. Okay. In the color Doll Dynasty.
Pink Champagne Shimmer.
Okay. Let's see what we have. Super cute,
Pretty sleek.
Okay. So this is not terrible, but it's also not comfortable for me. I'm a very plain creature of habit type of person. This has got some pink, and then it gets lighter into like a
you like a goldy champagne.
I do, and I also I don't lean pink. I don't like a pink highlight. I like more of a purple highlight if I'm gonna do something daring. But I'm not hating this, but I don't want to swatch it yet.
Okay.
Okay?
I think it's beautiful.
I know. It is pretty.
Oh no, your bags.
No, not my sack in your hair.
I lost it.
You lost my sack?
Yeah. I lost the opening to your sack.
Okay, so because I got a Danessa Myrick this, I know there's not a palette. Danessa Myrick Color Fix Glazes. Waterproof. I can't read this, Shannon.
Waterproof long wear gloss multi-use makeup eyes, face, lips in the color Pink Ice.
I just had one called Gilded that I just decluttered because I don't like the formula. But let's look and see what color it looks like.
It looks like a pink.
It looks like pink.
You have to ship it.
Oh, shit. Yeah, this is really pretty.
But you don't like the formula.
I don't like the formula. I just decluttered
Why?
this. I don't like how
cute
it
the package
creases on my lid.
Okay.
I can do a primer.
And this is not your
set
kind of
it-
blush.
Nope, it's not my kind of blush. I can put a primer on, I can set it, and then put this on, and it creases. I can put this on raw, it creases. I've got wrinkly eyelids because I'm elderly. Gua sha. Okay. So this is the Mount Lai Gua Sha tool, the Jade Gua Sha tool. I think it's all hodgepodge. I don't get into the face tools and the gua sha and the
It looks
roller
like
balls.
a nice
It's
one.
beautiful. I don't do this kind of stuff. I think it's very pretty though.
Someone will love it.
Someone will love this, Michelle.
This is your last item.
Okay. Okay, Viziar. Is this the same palette you just got?
No, it's different
Oh,
colors.
it's not? Okay.
Paris mattes.
Okay. No, it's not. Okay. And this is definitely cool toned. I'm not going to use this palette. It's very pretty. It's very matte. Like it said it would be. No. Okay.
I think I got a better palette.
I do too. I do too. Okay.
So you paid.
I paid $1.75 plus $20 shipping plus $10 in tax. So it was almost
$5.
yeah.
How are you feeling? I don't think you got lucky. I'm gonna say that.
Okay. Maybe. No. I'm gonna keep it because it is.
It's beautiful.
Maybe. No. Yes. Yes.
Definitely yes.
No. Whatever. So I'm gonna keep these three things.
Those are the only ones for sure.
Sure.
Out of 9 items, a third of it.
And the other three things and
this is probably the cheapest item in the box.
and this is the thing that excited me the most.
So how do you feel about your box? Whelmed? Underwhelmed?
I don't hate the box.
Okay.
It's definitely not my favorite. It's forgettable. It's forgettable.
And after getting lucky last year and you got that $300 hair tool.
But even last year's box, even without that, was really good.
I think the items last year were more exciting.
I didn't get a lip. Oh yeah, I did.
This can go on your lip.
No, it can't.
It says it can, so it's a lip.
There's not. This was my element of excitement. This, and this was the cheapest thing in the box.
Well, you're gonna be. Eye patches are gonna be your moment of excitement, regardless of how much they cost. Let's be real.
You're right. It could be $12. It could be $200. It's going to be the exciting
eye patches.
thing for me.
She's excited.
How do you feel about my box?
For $200, you got 9 items for $200. So that's $15 an item, right?
Well, if it was 10 items, it would be
20. Oh,
So
like $22.
22, 25-ish. No.
I
Sorry.
think I got
I think you got the better deal.
Better deal. And my box was fine. I didn't think my box was super amazing.
Yeah. And now I'm going to be honest with you. I don't even want to see other unboxings because I know that I'm going to see something and be like, why didn't I get something like that? Why did they get so-and-so and I got this and that? Like, I feel like I'm going to be disappointed when I see other boxes
You're gonna have
even
all the
more. Yeah. I'm already disappointed, but I think other boxes will make me even more disappointed. So
I'm sorry you're disappointed.
this is the chance you take when you do this.
I feel like your box was geared more towards me.
I do too.
Because I would probably put this on my cheek. This color was not for me necessarily. Obviously, these are good. I like this brand. It's a sunscreen. You know I'm using the highlighter. This palette is boring to me, so I probably wouldn't use that. It's a nice brush. I'm not using a gua sha, so I would have used twice as much as you.
Yeah.
Which is, it's a $200 box.
But we know it's the chance we take when you order any mystery box.
Yeah.
So, while this was not a shining moment, we've had shining moment boxes before.
We have.
So.
And is this enough to discourage you from getting a lucky bag next year?
No.
Definitely not.
No, it's not.
Definitely not. So
they did do an encore lucky bag
yeah.
moment. And I did try to get another one. I tried to get a Jeffrey, but I got busted.
They did not put this out there when they advertised the encore bags. If you already got one, you can't get another. And that's how it is when you order the lucky bag. You can pick one bag.
And they make it very clear ordering.
When you're ordering the first time.
Yes. The second one we weren't told much except for that we were getting an encore.
Yeah.
So I did try to get another one. I'm really curious to see what people are getting in their Jeffrey. I might try that next year.
Did you get a Jeffree Star lucky bag?
What did you guys get in your XL?
Yeah, did you get lucky?
Who got lucky in the XL bags? Tell me what they got.
How lucky were you?
Yeah.
That's what we want to know. Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.